Hello folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to make money with Redbubble. For those who don't know what Redbubble is, it is one of the best print-on-demand sites available online. It is also an open and completely free platform that allows creatives to sell their artwork and design on clothing, phone cases, stickers, bags, pillows, and more. In this video, you can see many ways to make money on Redbubble. First, you need to promote your Redbubble store with the social media marketing because it's one of the best ways to get more customers and make money on Redbubble. 2. Add tags to your Redbubble shop because they help potential customers to find your work and products on Redbubble, making it easier to get more sales. 3. Find a niche for your design. Researching current trends and developing your niche is an excellent way to make money on the print-on-demand platform. 4. Customize your Redbubble profile. It's a few small changes to your Redbubble profile that can make a big difference when it comes to making money on the online store. 5. Be on the trend with Google Keyword Planner. If you want to sell a lot of products on Redbubble, your work must be relevant to your audience. Fortunately, Google Keyword Planner makes this easy by showing you how often people are searching for specific terms in the search engine. 6. Create trending designs. In addition to being on trend, it can also be adventurous to create trending designs. You can use Google Trends or other tools to see what types of designs are currently popular and then design your work around these trends. Finally, use these Redbubble tips to increase your earnings, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you.